To find a proper hip hinge position, slide your hands down your thighs. You should notice a triangle from your shoulders, through your hips, through your knees. Your shin should stay vertical, meaning you will have minimal knee bend. Practice a hip hinge position with a dowel along the spine. 3 points of contact at the head, shoulder blades, and tailbone. As you drive your hips back, you should find your triangle position and maintain those 3 points of contact with the dowel. Use the wall behind you as feedback. A proper hip hinge improves strength and power and reduces back pain. In this video, single leg deadlift options are demoed. You'll notice I'm finding the same triangle position in a single leg as a double leg pattern. A proper hip hinge can be one of the most misunderstood patterns in a gym setting. Make an effort to learn proper technique, train smart, and move well.